Say goodbye to traditional website creation. Wegic will help you easily build your own custom website with 4 simple steps. Visit Wegic AI and sign up or log in with your email. Click Create New Website to start building your first site. Hi, I'm Kimmy, your personal website creation assistant. First, tell me what kind of website you'd like to build. Feel free to chat with me in the language you're most comfortable with, it doesn't have to be English. Second, choose the type of website you want to create. Pick from the suggestions or pitch your own idea. Third, the most important step, give your website a unique name. Don't worry, you can always change it later. Finally, let's choose the language for your website. Wow! Let's watch the magic happen. Awesome! We've just created our first website together. Head over to wegic.ai now and start your first creation.